Sorry, right behind us now.
I can't hit him, dude. Bless you. I'm just 1 HP.
Bless you, Paul.
Weirdest sneeze ever. It felt like a cough. What the fuck?
Dude, wait, what was I last season? I was 30. How the fuck am I supposed to go on anything here?
Can you explain your thought process? I would want to see Pine being better.
Reloading.
Dead.
Barbara Streisand.
One minute.
No point. Make it something.
Oh,
Save first.
I thought you were Nikki.
Winnable.
Not winnable. Maybe winnable. I killed that guy. I killed that guy. And that guy. Widow there. Widow there. Hanzo is also known as Arrow Man.
Oh no!
Also one.
Wait, Tifa! No!
Bye bye.
Me. Can I please get this soldier?
Because I'm 3988 now.
You're 3989.
39999.
We're 399.
I don't like this A8075 guy. Fractal V. He's the one. How does he live? I'm livid.
I have nuts. By the way. Deeds nuts. It's so fucking dumb.
What a funny snack.
Oh, baby JP is fucking muted and fucking bitch.
Sniped it.
There's a rain coming up
Oh, what?
Yeah, Peacock
Yeah,
was apparently a name I couldn't use.
So you were cause cock.
Because it had cock in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
I hate this fucking world, everything. It's a fucking bird, man.
A
I'm gonna
bird?
cry. Yeah, peacock, it's a bird.
No, it's a cock.
Yo.
I hope you die.
You're a cock. No, let's just spit, okay?
I have a dead
Everyone focus.
pixel in the center
No.
of my screen. No.
No.
Oh shit.
Baby,
Wait.
no.
The dead pixel is gone. I swear to God, it was like glued to my screen, and as soon as I